ทีมนี้นอกจากเพิ่นมานำเสนอแล้วเพิ่นมาขายพร้อมเลยเพิ่นย่างไปเพิ่นก็ขายได้พร้อมเจ้าฉะนั้นลำดับต่อไปค่ะพระเจ้าขอเรียนเชิญทีม Automatic Dam เนาะจะมาจาก VF Learning Center ขอเรียนเชิญขอเสียงตบมือเพิ่นแน่ว้าวเป็นวัยหนุ่มรุ่นใหม่ไฟแฮงกันเนาะวันนี้เนาะ
Hello, my name is Edward. Today I'm gonna talk about the automatic dam in English. As you can see from the photos and here. This is the team. As you can see here, there's teacher Manuvong and teacher Chipachan. Both team support. Here is the outline for the presentation. Now let's talk about dams. Lao has 86 dams in operation that the government give priority to the production of electricity, so for the people all around the country. It's also a product that generates income for the nation to become the battery of nation. There are advantages of dams, which are produce electricity, irrigation, water storage, drinking water, and water for industrial uses, along with flood control, a source of tourism, generates income and inland navigation. But there are also disadvantages, which are displacement of people during construction, impact on local ecosystems. Water reservoirs often emit high percentages of greenhouse gases, blocking the flow of underground water, blocking the flow of water to other countries. Now, the reason why I built this dam is because that to avoid future dams like the 2018 dam accident in Atapu. As you can see from the photos, it's a big flood and a big accident. Now, the concept of the automatic dam robot is that it's the use of technological know-how to help build an automated dam that can tell you how high or low the water is. At the same time, the water can be drained automatically when the water hits the limit. Now, this is the design. And this is how it looks like when the door opened. As you can see. Now, I built this robot using STEM education through robotics. As you may know, STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Now, the equipment we use are my robot time, Duno, and MRG31, MRG32. Now, these are the photos of the model. You can see. This is the technology we use. Now, this is the MRT Duino board, the control system. The IO sensors are the water, or for the water sensing. Lights for water, for the warning lights. Buzzer for warning sound. Motor for opening the door. And servo motor for to push the water out. Now, this is the program. We use MRT Scratch for the program. We'll demonstrate how it works.
เจ้าสบายดีขออนุญาตแสดงสาธิตการเฮ็ดเวียกของ Automatic Dam Project เนาะ
As you can see, this is the orange light at level 1. And here it hits level 2. Now, the conclusion is that through the creation of the automatic dam robot and by bringing the knowledge of STEM education and MRT robotics, we can see the simulation of the automatic drainage. It helped visualize the actual operation of the automated dam, help promote the imagination to come out as a real model, and help promote thinking skills. Safety is the most important thing, and I hope this project will stop future dams accidents. I hope you see the potential and importance of if all Lao students learn STEM to robotics. ขอบใจ
Hello. Thank you very much for a very nice presentation and very interesting topic. I ask you one question. Did you consider if you do the automatic dam like this, it may affect to the other the population around the dam? If it open, it may flooding again.
What happened? If the people evacuate, it's okay.
Do you have any application for announcing if the level of the water in the middle level, you can announce to the people around there?
Yes, you can, due to the buzzer making the sound and the light.
Got a few questions for you, but first, how old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
Okay, well done to the presentation and demonstration. So I'm an engineer, so I know this is about the control and the levels. How do you propose to make this a business model? Can you think of a way of commercialize your invention? How to make money out of the project?
Yeah, it generates the income for product, the electricity.
Yes, but your invention, how do you think you can make a business out of your invention? What kind of business? As a startup, what do you think the business will be?
Um,
Maybe easier way of doing this. Would you be able to sell your idea to a dam electricity producers? Would you be able to sell your idea?
hopefully.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, maybe you are very young to think about the business. So I have a question related to the technical. So as you explained, your system is just like maybe I understand and maybe use sensor to control the water level or compression of the water. So how can you make sure that the system that work correctly? For example, if you have one control system and sometimes it's broke, and it may send some the command to order to open the gate, so that's why maybe some problem will happen. Can you make sure that your system they can have some backup or something like this? Do you have a solution for this? Do you understand my question? So now you show that the sensor, the level of the water is will send the effect to the send command to the system to open the gate, right, to drain the water. But if the sensor or the controller work incorrectly, do you have some solution to solve this problem, to back up this problem?
โดยขออนุญาตตอบแทนเนาะสำหรับตัวที่เฮานำมาแสดงเป็น Automatic Dam Project ตัวนี้ขึ้นมาก็คือเป็นโมเดลที่เฮ็ดให้เด็กน้อยมีความคิดสร้างสรรค์ในการนำใช้เทคโนโลยีเข้ามาช่วยจัดการเกี่ยวกับเขื่อนอัตโนมัติซึ่งว่าโมเดลจำลองตัวนี้เฮาใช้ความรู้ทางด้าน STEM ศึกษาในการสร้างและยังใช้อุปกรณ์ของ MRT Robotic Kit ในการสร้างโดยจึงเป็นโมเดลจำลองซึ่งให้เด็กน้อยได้พัฒนาทักษะทางด้านจินตนาการและนำเอาสิ่งที่ตัวเองคิดสามารถประดิษฐ์ออกมาเป็นสิ่งที่สามารถจับต้องได้เจ้าโดยตัวนี้สำหรับโมเดลตัวนี้เนาะพวกเขาได้เฮ็ดขึ้นมาเพราะว่าอยากส่งเสริมทางด้าน STEM ศึกษาโดยและก็เป็นการโปรโมทว่าอุปกรณ์ของพวกเขาสามารถสร้างเป็นโมเดลที่สามารถส่งเสริมจินตนาการให้เด็กน้อยได้กลุ่มเป้าหมายของพวกเขาก็คือเด็กน้อยที่มีอายุ17 ปี เพื่อส่งเสริมให้กับเจ้ารู้จัก STEM ศึกษาโดยตัวนี้เป็นโมเดลที่คิดที่สร้างออกมาจากพื้นฐานก็คือ STEM ศึกษาและโรบอติกโดย
May I have more question? So, from your automatic dam model, do you think it is possible to apply to the real dam in your opinion, in your idea? Do you think from this model it is possible to apply to real dam? And if so, what would you want to say to the to the government or the electricity producer? And do you get my question? Okay.
Can you repeat again?
So maybe next step for your plan, would you like to do for your products in the next step, future next step? What do you want to do? Maybe develop or to propose to the government or something like this?
To propose the government for the STEM education through robotics to help how to create more ideas for future. Automatic dam will be for the future soon, and there could be more ideas to improve our economy.
โดยขออนุญาตเสริมเติมคำตอบแต่จักหน่อยเด้อที่เกี่ยวกับ Automatic Dam ของพวกเราเกี่ยวกับ STEM ศึกษาผ่านการสร้างหุ่นยนต์ตัวนี้ก็คือว่าพวกเราเป้าหมายของพวกเราก็คือพวกเราต้องการนำเอา STEM ศึกษาเข้าไปเป็นหลักสูตรในการเรียนการสอนเพื่อเสริมสร้างทักษะทางด้านจินตนาการและการค้นคิดให้แก่เด็กน้อยเพื่อให้พวกเขาเจ้าเกิดการค้นคิดเกิดการเรียนรู้ต้องการพัฒนาทักษะของตัวเองเจ้าขอบใจ